Hi you all, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a sneaker review, the perfect sneakers for the winter, period. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also follow me on my other social media platforms. Let's get into it. So we have the Nike Block. I'm going to tell you the name. So the Air Max 97s, Neutral, Olive, and Sequoia, period. So let's get into them. These are it. They came out maybe in October. I've been had them, like when they came out, I got them. I just not done a review. But yes, okay, so you have the green colorway and you have it layered. So you have the light green, it gets dark. I don't know what this texture, like this material is, but you have a different material at the top. Sorry, I'm not hip. And then it goes back to like the lighter green. And I think when you turn the lights off, Air Maxes are most time like reflective in this area. So when you turn the lights off, I'll insert a video, I think, so you can see. You got the air gap in this area. It's like a lightish green color. That's it, green shoestrings. I ain't even gonna hold you, ain't no long review. They look simple. I'm gonna show y'all what it looked like, and I'm gonna show y'all kind of like the unboxing. But I feel like these are the perfect, like, for wintertime. You know, olive is like, it goes good with your nudes, your burgundies, your navies. When I wore them with, if you're a female, I wore it with like a tan, I guess, bodysuit, like a play suit. So it was a whole like piece pants and everything. You zipping it up in the front, so it made it pop. But I also got from H&M like hold on, I'm gonna show you. Okay, so I can show y'all. So like I said, it's from H&M. I feel like this is perfect for men or women. So it's like a big vest or whatever that's navy, not navy, olive. So if you had a hoodie, put this underneath. There you go. With the shoes and a pair of pants. I feel like that's a unisex outfit. It ain't even gotta be for a female or for a dude. Either one works. So yes, I hope y'all like these. These are a cop. I feel like these are very classic. Like I said, they're very neutral. So I feel like you should just always have them in your closet. They go with a lot. Thank you for watching.